We are the exclusive supplier of individually bagged Global-Pak roll-off liners, intended to be used in 20 and 30-yard roll-off containers and dumpsters. These liners are designed to be easily installed by one person in under 2 minutes. Installing rolled liners is easy with the following instructions. Remove your rolled liner from the package, being careful not to cut or damage the liner. Hold the roll above the edge of the container on the short end, making sure it is centered. Unroll 1 to 2 feet of the liner so it hangs outside of the container and hold on to this section. Let the rolled section of the liner unroll into the container. Unfold the liner at the end, hanging over the edge carefully to ensure you're not tearing the end seam. As you unfold, check that the slit in the center of the liner aligns with the center of the container. Reach for an additional 2 to 3 feet of liner and pull the top layers towards you, working your way to one corner of the container. Do the same process on the other corner. Once both corners are secured on the short side, begin pulling the liner over the top edge down the one long side wall and corner, then the other. You may secure the liner with clamps or hooks if they are available on the container. Now you are ready to begin filling the liner with waste or other items to be disposed of.